Hello everyone, welcome to the Iconic Career Talk Show. This is Sushant Gaonkar, Iconic Career Mentor, recipient of India's Top Career Counselor Award and #1 best-selling author. In this show, I interview professionals who have embarked on the journey of building an iconic career. Today my guest is Shantanu Jamble. Shantanu is an IT leader and he has been working in the industry for some time now. So let's hear from Shantanu. Shantanu, first of all, welcome to the show. Thank you for sparing some time to share your experience and feedback with me and my audience.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this chance.
Wonderful. So Shantanu, can you tell me more about yourself, what you do, how your work helps your clients and your companies and customers?
Sure. So Sushant, I am almost a 15 years plus industry veteran from the IT industry. I've been working in an American telecom company for the last 15 plus years. I work as a senior leader in the development area. So we create applications, we create projects which help our clients in the US roll out services to our customers in the US, right? So my job is to ensure that my team is giving the best customer experience in terms of the ease of doing business, the performance that they can get out of it, and trying to make our customers' life as that much easy.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful, wonderful.